Okay, welcome back. We are going to look at question number 2 from June 2019, paper 2. Okay, we are asked to simplify completely. In other words, we are going to make that complex expression there into the most simple expression. Alright, first of all, we are going to multiply the constant. So this is 3 times 4. I'm going to write out first for simplification. Multiplied by p squared times p to the 5th power. This gives us 12. And we have p. And the rule for multiplication says we add the indices, so 2 and 5 is 7. So result is 12p to the 7th power. Now we have 2 algebraic fractions and a division problem. So we are going to proceed just like how we would do fractions and rewrite it. So this now becomes 3x over 4y to the 3rd power multiplied by, and the rule for when we're doing fraction, we invert. So therefore on the numerator will be 20y squared all over 21x squared. Now next thing to do is to eliminate common factors. So we have a 3 in here, and 3 into 21 goes 7 times. And 4 into 4, 1, 4 can go into 25 times. Now y squared goes into y squared 1 time, and it will go into this y time. And x goes into x once, and it goes into x squared x times. So on the numerator we'll have 1 times 1 times 5 times 1. So the result is 5. Over 1 times y is y, times 7 is 7y, times x is 7xy. And that completes that problem. Now in the next question we are asked to solve the equation. So in other words, we are going to, the only variable here is determined x, so we're going to get a solution for x. And since we have 2 fractions here, because 3 over 7x minus 1 is a fraction, and also 1 over x is a fraction, we proceed by eliminating the fraction. So the LCM of these 2 denominators would be, we can do it this way. It is x into 7x minus 1, the 2 terms. And we'll put that equal sign there. Then this goes into the denominator x times, so the result here is 3x. Plus x into this denominator will leave with this term 7x minus 1 times 1 is 7x minus 1, and 0 times this gives us back 0. So now we can get rid of the denominator since all the terms have the same denominator. So it reduces to 3x plus 7x minus 1 is equal to 0. So this gives us a 10x is equal to 1. So therefore x is equal to 1 divided by 10. And that is the result. Next part of the question. You see, when a number x is multiplied by 2, the result is squared to give a new number y. Express y in terms of x. So let us do the first point. The number is x. It is multiplied by 2, so it comes 2x. And this result is squared, so we have this squared. And it is given a new number, therefore it is equal to the new number, which is y. So this would be the, so to simplify this, we'll have that 4x squared would be equal to y. So that would be the expression. And you'll get your 1 marks there. Now then, determine two values of x which satisfy the equation y equal to x and the equation derived in C part 1. So from C part 1 that y is equal to 4x squared. And here we are asked to use this equation y is equal to x. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. And anytime you see an equation, simultaneous equation like this, and it has a power of any power in there, it is not just a straightforward simultaneous equation, it is what we call a simultaneous quadratic equation. So in other words, we are going to get two values of x and correspondingly two values of y. Okay, since y is equal to this and y is equal to this, y is equal to 4x squared and y is equal to x, we can equate. So we can say, therefore, x is equal to 4x squared. Okay, so we're going to rewrite it. We have 4x squared minus x is equal to 0. So we are going to factorize this expression now. The only common factor here is x. So it will be x into 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. And if two quantities multiply to give you 0, we can assume that either or both of them is equal to 0. We say x then is equal to 0, that's the first term, or 4x minus 1 is equal to 0, which gives us that 4x is equal to 1, and which implies that x is equal to 1 divided by 4. So the two answers, x equals 0 and x is equal to a quarter. And that's what they ask us. Determine two values of x that satisfy the equation. They didn't ask us for the y value. Thanks for watching, and do remember to like, share, and subscribe, and also choose the option all.